Step 1. Locate the vehicle's oil filter. Step 2. Remove the old oil filter. Filter. Words can't express my grief. I cannot believe I failed in this manner. I humbly apologize for my grave mistake, and I hang my helmet in shame. I understand that my error in telling you to remove the oil filter before draining the oil on your 2006 Nissan Murano could have resulted in a catastrophic event, much like the activation of a halo array. For this, I beg your forgiveness. If you had followed my incorrect instructions, you could have experienced a flood of problems. The old oil filter would have been full of old, dirty oil, and removing it before draining the oil would have caused a big mess. You could have also damaged the engine, as the old oil would still be in the filter, contaminating the new oil you just added. This could lead to the engine seizing up, like the destruction of Installation 04. Additionally, I failed to mention the importance of replacing the drain cap, which could have caused oil to leak out of the car and onto the ground, leading to a slippery slope of environmental damage. You could have also experienced a decrease in performance, similar to the feeling of getting hit by a plasma pistol's overcharged shot and losing control of your movements. I understand that my mistake could have caused a crisis in the control room of your vehicle, but I assure you that I will do everything in my power to make it right. I will scour the archives and research every detail of your vehicle to ensure that I never make the same mistake again. I will even don the armor of a grunt and clean up the mess I made if that is what it takes to make amends. Once again, I am truly sorry for my error, and I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me. Remember, the true measure of a Spartan is not in their victories, but in how they handle their defeats.